Hey everyone, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new to this YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you how I make this creamy salmon pasta. Now if you love pasta and you love salmon, then you know you clicked on the right video. Stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. I have 2 salmon fillets. I'll be seasoning this and bake this in the oven. I have more salmon fillets. This have been cut into bite size. I'll cook this and add this to the pasta. I have cheddar cheese, minced garlic. I have finely chopped scotch bonnet. Feel free to omit chilies if you don't like spicy food. Finely chopped shallots, double cream, some spinach. I also have pasta, olive oil, jumbo crayfish flavoring stock, tinned tomato, fish seasoning. I have smoked paprika, black pepper, white pepper, garlic granules, mixed herbs, adobo seasoning, and Badia complete seasoning. I will list all the ingredients used in this recipe in the description box below. The bowl with the salmon fillet, I've just added the diced salmon, and next I'll be adding all my seasonings. As I've added all my seasonings and olive oil, I'm just going to mix everything together to ensure that the salmon is well coated in the seasonings. Next, I'll set the salmon aside and allow it to marinate for 5 minutes. And 5 minutes later, time to bake the salmon. I have covered my baking tray with foil, placed the salmon on the baking tray, and I'm going to bake the salmon in the oven at 200 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Now time to start cooking the pasta. To my pot, I have added enough water. I'm just seasoning the water with some salt. Next, I'm going to add the pasta, and I will cook the pasta as per the cooking instructions on the packaging. Now time to fry the diced salmon. So to my wok, I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil, and next I will add the diced salmon. Cook the salmon on each side for 3 minutes. As the salmon have been cut into bite size, it won't take too long to cook. So 3 minutes on one side, flip it over and allow the opposite side to also cook for 3 minutes. Once the salmon is cooked, remove it from the pan and set this aside. Don't worry if some of your salmon fillet breaks. This is also going to go into the pasta and everything will be mixed together. To the remaining oil, I've just added my shallot. Next, I'm going to add the garlic, and I'm going to fry this until it is translucent and fragrant. now going to add my chilies, and I'm going to simmer this on low to medium heat for 2 minutes. As I mentioned before, if you don't like spicy food, please feel free to omit the chilies from this recipe. I am now going to add the tin tomato, and next I'm going to add my seasonings. Feel free to season the sauce according to your taste and preference. As I've added all my seasonings, I'm just mixing everything together, and next I'm going to allow the sauce to simmer on low to medium heat for 10 minutes. And 10 minutes later, taste and adjust seasoning if needed. Next, I'm going to add my spinach. Feel free to add any vegetables of your choice. The sauce smells so good. I am now going to add the double cream. Next, I am going to add the cooked diced salmon. The pasta is ready. I am now going to drain the excess water, and now I'm going to add the pasta to the sauce. Mix everything together to ensure each pasta shell is well covered in the sauce. Guys, my mouth is literally watering, and this smells so good. Now time to add the cheese and mix everything together. Yes, I did say creamy salmon pasta, but guys, what is pasta without cheese? Cheese had to make a representation in this dish. And this is entirely optional. I am going to garnish with some dried parsley. You can certainly use fresh parsley. I'm just going to mix everything together, and guys, our creamy salmon pasta is ready. Just look at this. And to top it off, the salmon is also ready. Doesn't it look beautiful? Now time to plate up and enjoy. I have my bowl of pasta, topping it off with my baked salmon. Now time to add some extra cheese, and I'm ready to enjoy. As always, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and turn on your bell notification icon, which will notify you every time I post a new video. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.